Hi, I'm Brad from Gryphon Garage Doors, and continuing the smart home theme, it's our Gryphon smart home camera. Now, these are fantastic to install in your garage door. You can install them alongside your Gryphon smart opener as well, or you can do them as a standalone device. All you need is Wi-Fi at home, and you can real-time monitor your garage from anywhere in the world. A bunch of great features. It has notifications. If someone walks into your garage, it senses them and takes a still image of them. You can even oscillate the camera. It moves around up and down, side to side, so you can get a nice image of the person doing something in your garage that shouldn't be there. And it is really simple to set up. You download the app, you put in your Wi-Fi password, it then communicates with the camera, and you're good to go. It is that simple. It's fantastic. And you can control the alerts too. So you can get all sorts of different alerts whenever someone walks in front of your camera, or you can actually switch the alerts off and just use it to monitor whenever you feel like it, really.